Ivy. I know that these bitches don't like me. What's new, ho? Yeah, I was loving and fucking them raw. I had to give me a plan B. Dick was amazing, it's crazy, but I'm not tryna have a seat. Nigga got vibes, we tie like shoestrings. Yeah, I be bugging and fucking them crazy. We in the back of the Benzie. I like him dark skin, kinda ugly, and he like to keep my baddie. Since I came around, he ain't seen this bitch. I know she be aggy. Bitch gon' call me a hoe, but he like the ho vibes. Bitch don't want no smoke, she rather drink and drive. I'm on the side, but the vibe hit crazy. I ain't switching no sides. He like the big Ivy, spicy bitch got vibes. Yeah, bitch, he love the vibe. He like the big Ivy, spicy bitch got vibes. Yeah, I was loving and fucking them raw. I had to give me a plan B. I don't play ball, but a bitch gon' score. I know these bitches don't like me. Bitch be bugging and giving they all, and he just be getting the mini me. These niggas be bugging, these niggas be fighting. Why would I give him a fucking seed? I never been a dummy bitch, but I keep me a dummy boy, and I keep me hella toys, cause these niggas be acting up. He act dumb, gotta pack him up. My ex, he mad as fuck. I can fuck him anytime I want.